Greetings, Chris Viola here with another edition of the Perfecting Equilibrium vlog. Today we're taking the second, or part 2 look at Adobe Express and some of its new AI tools. Now last week we tried creating things from over here with text image and weren't very happy. Well, it turns out that Adobe, again, has been violating one of Fiola's rules of user interfaces, which is don't hide things. So it turns out that there is a create from scratch browse templates under the logo if you hover over it. So let us go to create from scratch here, and now we get some different choices. So let us try text to image. Let's make a, let's go with a landscape logo, or maybe even a widescreen. I mean, we're mostly going to use this on Substack newsletters and web pages and other things where a landscape or horizontal, to use the older terminology, logo is a better fit. So we'll start with the same prompt we used last week. A logo for Fiola Factory. And let us see what comes out of that. I'm not sure what it is with its complete inability to spell words like faculty. This is at least somewhat better than what we did last week. I wonder if changing the content type here, art, graphic, I wonder if that'll do anything. A little more graphical, maybe? I don't know. Let's see if we can again, the problem I have with these is that the words are built. I don't understand how you're going to use this as a logo when you can't click into this and do anything with the type. So you can't correct the egregious misspellings. Let's stick with art here and let's try a steampunk logo for Fiola Factory. Well, that would almost be good if it wasn't for the extra Fiola O at the end there. I kind of like these, but this reminds me more of some of the DALL-E things where you just use it to do a graphic and then you put your own text in there, which kind of defeats some of the whole purpose of. I mean, I wonder if you wouldn't simply be better off dropping, you know, $25 or $50 at Fiverr for a logo rather than messing with this stuff here. So just, I mean, I understand you could spell Fiola wrong, but factory is pretty much a standard word. So I don't know. Anyway, I think this is still the same thing. I mean, it's good for making some interesting graphics for those of us who are not graphic artists, but in terms of making an actual usable logo, well, here we go again. Eola, we just lose the F entirely. So, and again, I'm not sure how you would fix that. So, because if you go into Photoshop, which I'm more than capable of doing, how do I get that font? So then I'm going to spend 2 days messing around with fonts, which is egregious. Anyway, so Fiola's rating on this, again, is half-baked at best. So I hope you, hope this is interesting, even though it's not all that useful in some ways. Hope everyone has a wonderful Labor Day weekend. No tutorial next Tuesday because we are taking the weekend off to rest from our labors. So have a great weekend. Fiola out.